Hi, let's begin with a verse. Sa shushka viparito ataha snigdha vrishya rase kadu swadupaga anila sleshma shwasa kasa pahasara nata matyubyunjita rasayana vitimvina. We are talking about the medicinal properties of a plant called Pippali. Its botanical name is Piper longum, its family is Piperaceae, and its main chemical constituents are piperin, piper longumin, volatile oil, resin, and so on. It is of immense use from an Ayurvedic point of view. It is effective in respiratory disorders, let it be of upper respiratory complaints or of lower respiratory disorders, like it is beneficial as a detoxifying agent for lungs, and it helps to remove the mucus in the area. It is both Vata and Kapha. So into the properties, it is of Kadurasa, Ushnavirya and Madhura Vipaga. That means it doesn't aggravate Pitta in the body in spite of being of Ushnavirya. But in the case of Pippali root, that is the root of the very same plant, Piper longum, it can aggravate Pitta because it is of Kadu Vipaga. And Plihamaye Pippali. Pippali is effective in splenic disorders, in hypersplenism or in splenomegaly. And if we go through the formulations that are said in respiratory ailments or in Pliha conditions, we get to see the use of Pippali. For example, Lavana Bhaskara Churna, it is said Plihamaye, it is effective in Pliha conditions. There is Pippali in that. In respiratory disorders, you take any medicine, like 90% of that you can find Pippali. It is, for example, Sitopaladi Churna, Talisapatradi Churna, Vashavaleha, Chavanaprasha, Pippalyasavam, anything you name it, and you get to see Pippali in it. So that is about the respiratory effects of Pippali. And as a quick remedy at homes, we can make use of Pippali, like 1 part of Pippali powder with 2 parts of jaggery, and it can be licked, and that helps to pacify cough. So then it is effective. We'll go through the verse. Sa shushka viparito ataha snigdha vrishya rase kadu. Vrishya, it is natural aphrodisiac. That means it is effective in Vata Kapha disorders pertaining to the male reproductive system, and it is very effective. Sa shushka viparito ataha snigdha vrishya rase kadu swadupaga anila sleshma shwasakasa bahasara nata matyubyunjita rasayana vidimvina. So this is about Pippali in short, and that's it. One more thing. Pippali is, if there is lactose intolerance, what we usually do is we discard milk once for all, and instead of doing that, we can try 2 things. One is we can try to add water to milk and boil it, and it will help to remove that bloating or abdominal distress. Even if that doesn't work, we can try boiling milk with Pippali, and it can alleviate the abdominal distress. Thank you.